Hello and welcome. This is Sadhusman. In today's video, I'm going to show you the text features or text transformation side of Power Query. We have this information in which in the single column we have the manufacturer's name, the brand, and the quantity sold at a particular period. So we are going to perform some text related transformations on this. Let's import this data inside of Power Query. The shortcut key for this is Alt A P T. And the table is in the correct range, so I'll click OK. Here, when I have this data inside of Power Query, I can do a number of transformations related to text. I can add additional columns, or I can perform the transformation in the existing column as well. So if I want to do transformations in the existing column, I will just go to Transform tab, and I will perform transformations over here in the format. And for example, if I want to convert this column into uppercase, I can do that. The existing column is converted to uppercase. However, if I want to add new columns based on these different transformations, I can go to the Add Column menu ribbon and then perform the same transformations in format. I will delete the current step and I will add different columns for different types of transformations. So let's add one column here and perform the transformation of uppercase. So the uppercase transformation is done here. If I select this column, I can convert this into lowercase as well. Everything is converted to lowercase. And similarly, for example, if I want to convert this into the third option is capitalize each word. So you can see here the Lenovo and ThinkPad. So each word is capitalized here. So this is a basic transformation that you can do on text fields. We can extract information from these columns as well. For example, if I select this column, I can go to extract, and in extract I can do a number of transformations. I can find out the length of this field, which is equivalent to the len function in Excel. This gives me the length of this entire single record. And similarly, I can go and I can, for example, extract characters or text before delimiter. I have a delimiter. For example, the delimiter is hyphen. I want to extract the first letters before the hyphen, so I will click OK. So you can see the first part before the first hyphen, first delimiter is extracted. Similarly, I can extract the last part, text after delimiter, and if I select the same, I can get the last part, the second last part. Since I have two delimiters here, I will get the text after the first delimiter. If I select this again and extract text after delimiter and go to advanced options, it asks me scan for the delimiter from the start of the input or from the end of the input. If I select from the end of the input and then number of delimiters to skip is 0, I don't want to skip any delimiter here. If I go from right to left, then I can, if I click OK, I need to put a delimiter here, place hyphen. If I click OK, then I will get the data for the quantity sold. So this is and for instance, if I want to get the data between the two delimiters, the first hyphen and the second hyphen, I can also do that. Let's click on extract and text between delimiters. So if I click this, starting delimiter is this, ending is the same as this. I want to extract the data in between, and there I have this. So there are a number of options that are available in extract function feature here. I can get a range, I can get the first characters. For example, if I want to get the first character, if I select this cell, this column, and if I want to extract the first two characters of this cell, this column, I can do that. Let's click OK, and there you go. ThinkPad, first two characters of everything comes here. So a number of transformations can be done using this format as well as extract. For example, if I want to add a prefix, I can show you. Let's add a prefix here. If I want to add a prefix on this ThinkPad, let's say if I want to add a prefix of short form of product and dash, I click OK, you can see the prefix is added here. Similarly, you can also add a suffix here, and the suffix will also be done in the same manner. So we are done with the transformations here. If we want to export this specific information, we can do that by going to home, close and load to. And for example, I want to have that data in the existing worksheet in cell D5. I'll click OK, and all of this data is now exported to Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.